Hello all. Sometimes you'd encounter a broken lock. Then, especially if it's on a vending machine, then most people will try to. They normally would try to drill this notch here to break the lock and destroy the machine. There is a trick that you can fix your broken lock without drilling and destroying your lock. Normally, the manufacturer comes with two keys for your vending machine, and all of them comes with a notch here on top. So what you have to do is to file it off. You just have to grind it off, file it off using a hacksaw grinder or a Dremel. If you have a Dremel, then you simply use the key which was grinded off, then simply insert to your broken lock, then it should work. I'll show you again. Now you can use your broken lock again. I'll show you the one key with the notch. The key that was filed off without the notch. So normally in most cases it should work without destroying your broken lock. Thank you for watching.